everybody, I hope you are having a wonderful day. So I am welcoming you to another video of the channel. Today's topic is how you can make a coloring book from scratch. From zero to making a coloring book, I will tell you the process how you can make. So you are thinking how I can make a coloring book if I don't have any skill. So yes, you can make it, don't require any skill. You don't have to be hire anybody, you don't have to be draw anything. If you are not an artist, don't worry, you don't have to draw anything. No need of skill. If you don't know Photoshop or any other editing software, don't worry, you don't need that. You don't have to pay anybody for drawing your coloring pages. You just need some vector images. To do this. So what is vector images is let me show you with a website, and I will tell you the process how you can make your coloring book from scratch to a coloring book, so you can upload and make money from Amazon KDP. So let's just go. First of all, open any vector image website like Vecteezy. I'm using Vecteezy, you can use whatever you want. Just let me just log in. Yup. Let's suppose you are making a coloring book for kids and your niche is I'm searching for dinosaur, but let's just change this to cat. Okay, you are making a coloring book for cats. Okay, so just try to find an image which you like it, like this National Cat Day. I like this one. It's a free too. You can buy their pay membership, then you can download some premium images. If you want to add free, you have to get attribution. So let me just download it. If you want, you can buy their premium membership. It's not affiliated, I am not giving any link, just go and buy. So now you downloaded the vector images. Let's just extract it from zip. It's now extracted from zip. Now you have to come to this website, sketch outline online.rapidsizer.com/photograph-to-pattern.php, and you have to select your image from your device. That is from downloads, Vecteezy, JPG and SVG. Let's just try with JPG. And here it is. This is your coloring page is ready. Now you can adjust it by this to adjuster. You want it little more soft, you can go little more soft. I like it this way. So this is it, your coloring page is downloaded. Now just you have to download it. Just shift to your computer. Now first page is ready. Let's just go and make another page. Cat images which is free. We will use the cat images which available for free, like this. It's available for free. This is also available for free. Just go and download it. It's downloaded. Now again extract it from zip file. It's extracted. Just go here, select your image, go to downloads, Vecteezy design, JPG, and here it is. Just adjust it a little bit. Adjust it as you want. I like a little darker. Here it is. Just go and download. And now how you can convert it to an book. So go to canva.com. Let's just create a design. Let's just create 8.5 into 11. Now what you have to do, design one, take it inside the pink box, or you have to choose bleed. If you want to make it a little large, just choose bleed from uploading process, just choose bleed. And if you make it in the pink box, just choose no bleed. This is your first page is ready. Design number 2. Design number 2 is ready. Just make more and more this kind of coloring pages, and for just demo purpose I'm just duplicating it. Let me duplicate it on duplicate. Just make it whatever, how many pages you want, just do it. Let's suppose I'm making 60 pages of coloring book. It's now at 60. Your coloring book is done. Just go and download it in PDF. Let's see how our coloring book is looking. It is downloaded. Just go and download it. And here it is, our coloring book is ready. I'm just duplicating this image just for demo. You have to select individual images, and that's it. That's how you can make more and more coloring book and make money, run ads and make money. This is the easiest way to create coloring pages. Look how good the image is looking. Okay, it's look very nice. Just do it. Nobody gonna tell this to you. This is a clever way to make coloring pages. You don't have to worry anything about copyright because you just buy their premium subscription. If you're not buying, just give them a little attribution. I hope you get my point. So thanks for watching. If you are someone who is new, please subscribe to this channel. I am very low on subscriber, so please subscribe this video, share it with your friends who are doing KDP and who want this video. And thanks for watching. This is the end of the video. Over and out.